Here is how to fix ChatGPT lagging or giving slow responses, especially if you are using it on a browser or mobile. We want to talk about 10 simple fixes. So you want to watch this video to the very end to see those 10 simple fixes, so that if one method didn't work out for you, then you'll find other methods that really work out for you. The first thing you want to do is to check your internet connection. Lag or delay is often from poor or unstable network. Because of poor internet connection, maybe your connection is not strong, then it might cause delay or even the lagging of ChatGPT. So you want to check your internet connection to see if it is strong in your area. Number two, use a modern browser. ChatGPT work based on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, and Firefox. So you want to make sure that you are using one of these browsers. This is where ChatGPT work based on. And also, you want to avoid outdated browsers. Even if you are using one of these browsers, make sure that they are updated to the latest version. You can go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and update that browser so that it can work very well. So make sure you are using a modern browser that is actually updated, right? The next thing you want to do is to clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes browser cache and cookies can actually slow down and make ChatGPT to be delayed. So what you want to do is to clear it or delete it. Come to this top right corner here, then come down to settings. Come to this left hand side, privacy and security, then go down a little bit until you find this option that says delete browsing data. Here is it, cookies on other sites. Then here is cache image and files. So you can actually delete all of this. You can also change the time. Here say last hour. You can change it to last 24 hours or last 7 days or last 4 days, or even leave it all time. Then when you are through, it deletes. Or maybe if you are just experiencing this delay of ChatGPT for the last few hours, then maybe you can choose last hour, then it deletes. Number 4, close background tabs and apps. If you're on a low RAM device, running too many tabs or apps can make ChatGPT sluggish. So what you want to do is to close other AV pages like YouTube, Canva, CapCut Web, and just like that. So running things like YouTube, Canva, and CapCut Web on your low-end device can actually make it to be slower. So you want to close other backgrounds app when you are using ChatGPT. But only do this if you feel like your ChatGPT is delaying or is sluggish, a kind of slow. That is when you close other background app. Then when you are using ChatGPT, you can go back to reload all those apps you're actually using. Number 5, disable browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or screen recorders can interfere. So what you want to do is to disable extensions temporarily and reload ChatGPT. Number 6, try another device on network. Try ChatGPT on a different phone, laptop, or internet connection. If it seems the issue is your device or current network, or maybe you are using your mobile phone and you find that it's actually running slow there, then try your laptop. Just try to see if any will work for you. But if it runs slow in your mobile phone and also on your laptop, then try someone else's device to see if it can actually work. Just give it a try. I was talking about trying to see which one will work for you. You can also try switching to other network to see if it is actually your current network that is causing the issue. Number 7, switch between ChatGPT 3.5 and 4. ChatGPT 4, which is if you are using ChatGPT Plus, may occasionally be overloaded. So what you want to do is to use ChatGPT 3.5 if you notice delay with ChatGPT 4. Number 8, use ChatGPT desktop app. That is if it is available. If you are on Windows or Mac, try using ChatGPT official desktop app for better performance. Many people find it beneficial to use the desktop app compared to the web version. So if I experience a delay, why not give it a try to see if you can solve the problem? Number 9, avoid peak hours. ChatGPT can be slow during global peak hours, especially evenings or weekends. So what you want to do is to try again early morning or late at night in your time zone. Imagine everybody in the whole world is trying to use that website at the same time. That will make it to be delayed and to run very slow, right? And that usually occur in the evenings or weekends where everybody is creating content. So everybody want to use ChatGPT. So you want to avoid those times. What you want to do is to try using ChatGPT early morning or late at night. That is where there is a minimum number of users. So you don't want to use it at the time when almost everybody are using it, which is evenings or weekends. For me, I usually use ChatGPT late at night. I hardly experience delay when using it because I don't use it where a lot of people are using it. I hope you get the point. Number 10, log out and back in or refresh the page. Sign out, close the tab and log back in. Or simply refresh the tab. If you are using your laptop, you can press F5 to refresh it. If you are using your phone, you can just drag down. Use your finger to slide down in a way to refresh it. You see something turning when you just drag it down. So you can refresh that page. Then what I was saying actually that usually work for a lot of people is that when they log out with their email and logging back, it actually solve their problem. So try it if it work for you. Just one more tip. Many people have found out that when they're experiencing delay with ChatGPT, they will just abandon the chats that they're using. Then they'll just create a new chat. So you can try it. Just click on create new chat and start a new conversation to see if it will help. So this will come to the end of today's video. My name is Patrick, and if you find any of these tips useful, just give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And I will see you in my next video.